Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Again, this is Lauren and welcome to LM Creatives, inspiring bold digital innovation. So in this tutorial, guys, I am going to teach you how you can use Canva for your presentation, designs, marketing tools, and etc. I will just leave the link below on my descriptions so you can easily follow me. And also, don't forget to click the subscribe button below and click the updates button for more updates on my channel. So let's go! Hello, good afternoon. So for today, we're going to discuss how we are going to use Canva for our basic starter kit design. So first, let's proceed to canva.com. Right now, I'm currently using my email, but you can use your Gmail to sign up here, just like what I did. So as you can see, I have here my Canva account using my Gmail account. Alright, so let me show you again that part. So you can sign up. Oh, okay, it's already done. So you can sign up either through Gmail on that part. So now we are here on the main page of our Canva team. So for the Canva, you can create a design or you can search for a specific templates that you're going to use. So let's say example, we're going to do a logo. So you can type here logo. And then Canva will give you different designs of templates that you can use for your logos. So let's say this is my preferred logo. Okay? So you can click that one, and then from here you can modify this. You can change the name by clicking this one. So let's say for example, my sample logo. There. So I have the design. You can also put colors for the background. If you don't like the color, just click here and then click this color, background color. You can choose any color from here to change the background color of your logo. So let's say I'm gonna put this one. Yes, there. Or let's say I will put this one or this one. It's up to you. What do you like in this part? Alright, so first, oh, I'll choose this one or this one. Yeah, that one. Alright, so this will be now your sample logo. So as you can see, you can also change the font. Depends on you what font do you like. So from here, its default font is Jonathan. Just choose from here. There. Okay. And any logo are here. So those with the crown logo here on the right side are for the members of Canva using Pro account. So they are the paid account. And then you can change the font size here by going through this one, by keying, by deducting or minimizing the size as you can see here, or by clicking the plus sign to increase the size. So what if you like to add some more? You can go to the elements. So let's say here from the elements, I'll put example some arrows. So here I can click arrow. Right? I can drag it there. And then I can change the alignment of it. And then I can also position this one in any part of my logo here. Alright? So that is how for that is how we can use the sample logo. So what if you like to put some graphics design? So you can also put some graphics design like the animated one here, but usually a logo is not an animated one. It should be a fixed one. So let's say I will put this one here and there. Or let's say I'll put it here. Okay. So this is our sample logo. If you're okay with this one, you can just hover your cursor here from the share button on the right top side, click share, and then click download. There. So I have now my logo, my sample logo. Okay, so let's check here. Here is the example logo. There. So we have now our logo. Okay, so that's it. And then you can go back again to the home page. So if you like to design some other stuff, you can just go here on the search bar page and key in what type of templates would you like to use. So let's say Facebook banner. You can find it here. There's a lot of example here. Or let's say you are looking for a curriculum vitae. Yes, there are a lot of different curriculum vitae. You can just hover it. So which one do you like? So let's say I like this one, but this is a pro. I will not choose this one. I'll go for the free. Okay, there's a lot of. I'll choose this one. Yes, so from here, I can just modify this one. So let's make it bigger so I can see it clearly. There. So how can you put your image here, guys? So you can put your image here by going again to the elements. So let's say elements. Your picture is in, you like your picture to be in a square shape. So let's put it that way, in a square shape. And from that square shape, let's go back again. Oops. There. Okay, there's no image. Oh. Okay. So from here, we can put now, no, doesn't have an edge. I'll use this one. Where's that image? Okay. It's very big. Where is that? Oh, okay, I see. Just there. So to undo what you have done, you can click here beside the resize part. So to undo any changes that you might don't want to use. Okay. So big. Yes, there. I don't need the big one. I just need the small one. Okay, you can put that inside, and then from there you can input an image. So let's say for example I'll be using a professional image. Okay, so let's say I'll be using this one. I think this is a bit pixelated. Oh no. gonna save it here, and then I will just hover my mouse here to the upload part, and then let's upload the video, or no, the picture, rather the picture. So I save it here on our business headshot. Okay, so there. Alright, so now let me put the picture here. Okay, where is that here? Yes, okay, so there you are. We have now our picture perfect. So let's adjust this one by doing a drag and drop portion so that our professional photo will be looking great. See, that's how they input or insert the picture. Oh, so where did I use that part of picture? So let's say I'll be needing a circle one. So let's say this one. My background color should not be like this, the gray one. So example, I will change that one into pink one. Where's that? This. Let's say, for example, I will change that into pink. There. And then I will put a rounded circle picture on it. I'll put it there. The rounded picture here for the frames, and then go ahead and go back the upload picture again. Look for the picture and oops. Yes, let's put it there. So now we have our picture perfect circle photo here. Okay, so that's how we design our photo here. Okay, let me just change this one. Okay, so there you are. Alright, so again, to download this one, your resume or your curriculum vitae, go for the search part on the right side and then click the download part. And then wait for the downloads, then you can upload and put your task. And then you're up and well done with that. So that would be all, and thank you so much.